Hello everyone. In this lecture we will study economy. We will be covering the complete economy subject from the UPSC CSE point of view. So this is our first lecture. So let's start. First of all, we will see about introduction to economics. So basically we will see that what is economy. So we can define economy by saying that it is the study of allocating resources, that how the resources should be utilized. For example, if we have a 100 rupee note, so this 100 rupee note can be utilized to recharge your mobile, or to purchase books, or to purchase clothes. So here we see that the resources, that is the 100 rupee note, this is limited. So with this limitation we have to consider the option which is most necessary for us. So out of these, if we have to prioritize anything, then we can say that we are allocating these resources to these three things. Similarly is the case of the government. Government is also allocating the resources, and the government can utilize the budget amount for launching any schemes or construction of roads, introduction of new trains, etc. So in this way we can allocate the resources. So this study of allocating resources is called economy. Okay. So next we will see that the difference between economics and economy. Some of you may have confusion between these two terms. So let us clear these both terms. Basically, economics is the study of how we can allocate the resources which is in a scarce amount, limited amount. And economy is the system of a particular country. Suppose we say Indian economy. It means the economy which is prevalent in India, we say Chinese economy. It means the economy which is prevalent in China. So it is the economy in a particular territory or country. So this was the difference between the economics and economy. So next we will see the difference between micro and macroeconomics. So here we can say that in microeconomics it is the study of individual units, and in macro we can say the study of economy as a whole. For example, we can consider the houses in a particular country. So if we look at all the houses which exist in a particular country, and if we consider the total income of all the houses, total employees of all the houses, the consumption of all the houses. So if we consider the aggregate of all the houses in a particular country or a territory, so we say that it is a macroeconomics. But if we say one house, so in this case we study about a particular one house only. So if we say that the income of that particular house, the consumption of that particular house, the employee of that particular house, then we can say this is a microeconomics. Next we will see the economic agents. Basically, we can divide the economy into four parts. The first one is households, the second is the firms or the companies, the third is the government, and the fourth one is the central bank. Basically, the main agents are only three, but this central bank is owned by government. But it functions independently. In India, it is RBI. So in this case, we can say that these four are the economic agents. So after this, we will say about the factors of production. So the next topic which we will see is the factors of production. In factors of production, basically there are four things which need to be keep in mind. The first one is land, the second is labor, the third is capital, and the fourth is entrepreneurship. So, for running any economy, we need these four factors of production. It is the land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. If we go into the details of these one by one, then in the land we can say that whatever is available to us from nature, that we can say that it is coming into the land. If we say about labor, then labor means the humans which are employed, which are working for any firm, in any factory, in any organization to manufacture certain goods or providing certain services, that we say as a labor. The third is capital, and capital basically the machines are there. So basically anything comes in capital through which we we manufacture the another product by using that product. For example, machines. Suppose if we have manufactured a machine and that machine is used for production of some items in a particular firm, then that is the money invested on that machine is the capital. And the fourth one is the entrepreneurship. And entrepreneurship, it is involving the people who are starting the business. So basically these are the four factors of production which are necessary for producing and supplying the goods in the economy. So the next point which we are going to see is the steps involved in the factors of production. So the step 1 is that, for example, this is a company and this is a labor. Suppose this labor is providing services to this particular company. We can say this labor or house. So this we say that it is a factor input which is provided by the labor to the company. In step 2, this is the company and this is the labor or house. So whatever the services the house has provided to this company, now in step 2 this company will have to pay some wages in return of the services. So Suppose this company pays rupees 100 as wage to this house. So it is a expenditure which is involved from the company side, but it is the income which is involved from the house or labor side. So here we can see that it is a factor cost from the point of view of company which is equal to wages, and here we see that it is the factor income from the point of view of labor, and this is also equal to wages. So in terms of numerical value, these both are same, factor cost and factor income. So in this lecture we will be ending this session here. The next topic we will be seeing in the next lecture. So thank you, have a nice day.